Hello and welcome back. Today here I have a Nissei stainless steel grinder with motor. This machine was made in Japan and seems to be in great working condition. I have it turned on here. I'll go ahead and turn it off, show you the grinder inside. Then as I turn it on, you can see it start up. This grinder is likely used in possibly the food industry and has a wide variety of possible uses. As I said, it seems to be running great. I'll show you the main label here. It's an on and off switch. Some more information about the machine. And here's the brand tag. Fuji Nissei, made in Japan. See his serial number there. And yeah, as I said, it's a very well made machine. Seems to be working very well. You see it spinning through there. Only some light cosmetic wear on this piece. And if anyone has any questions, you can visit us on eBay at My Cyber Office. And thank you again for watching.